Welcome to another early morning fishing with us and our dog captain.
Hi, buddy. You ready to go fishing? You ready?
If you watch the tip of the starboard pole, you'll see the fish hit it.
Fish, first one.
Don't drink your water, kid. 162. They caught Dipsy too. First fish of the morning.
You're such a good boy. Yes, you are. You're a good boy. Did you catch some walleye? Did you catch us a walleye?
What's it feeling like?
Okay, it's there. Big enough. Definitely not a 15.
That is massive.
Erie walleye. Things that take. Beautiful fish.
Nice job. Captain's super excited to see what we've got. Hi, buddy. There we go.
As soon as they hit the surface, they like to fight. Go back down, obviously.
Now that's a keeper.
That's like Erie walleye. That feels really
Is huge. Can you measure him right
good.
now?
Yep, a beautiful 22 and a half.
Oh my god.
That is a beautiful.
We were fortunate enough to catch both limits by 7:30, so we headed back in to start the cleanup process.
All 12 of our massive fish.
Stay tuned for our next video on the fish cleaning process.